Hey guys, today I'm going to demonstrate how to interface PIR sensor, LED, buzzer to the Arduino board. I am going to use Tinkercad. First of all, open Tinkercad, then create a new circuit. Now drag the Arduino board to the window. Then drag the LED, buzzer and also PIR sensor and one resistor to the window. Now we are going to connect the anode of the LED to the 13th pin of the digital side of the Arduino through a resistor. Now we are going to connect the cathode to the ground. Then in the buzzer, connect the positive to 13th pin of the digital side of the Arduino and cathode to ground. Now we are going to move on to the PIR section of the connections. First we are going to connect the signal wire to the second pin and power to the 5 volt in the power section of the Arduino board. Then we are going to connect the ground to the ground also in the power section of the Arduino board. Now we have connected all the connections of the PIR Arduino interface. Now we will move on to the block coding section of the design. Now first we have to go to the variable section. Then we have to create a new variable. You can name it anything, but today I am going to name it sensor value. Now first we will take set sensor value to 0 and then we will go to input section and then we will take read digital pin 0 and place it in place of the 0 and change this to 2. Now we are going to go to the control section and take if then else loop and place it here. Now we will go to the math section and take this block and place it in the hexagon slot of if then else. Now we are going to variables and taking sensor value and placing it in place of the first numeral 1. Then we will change this to equal to. Then we will go to the output section and take set pin 0 to high. We are going to change this to 13 and one more of those in the else section and then change this to low. Now if you start the simulation, this will work. Now I am going to show you the block coding section of this design. If the sensor any heat then in its vicinity, then it will send a message to the Arduino. Then the Arduino will send the message to the digital pin number 13 to turn into high. That makes the LED blink and buzzer to produce a sound. If this doesn't happen, then it doesn't produce a sound. Now we have completed the design, coding and simulation of PIR Arduino interface. I will come back with another new design. Thank you for watching. Until then, goodbye.